Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how I make my delicious curry crab with the perfect gravy consistency. Check it out. You want to make sure that you clean your crab properly. Soak it in some lime to get out some of that freshness. Make sure you take a little toothbrush, scrub out all the mud and scrape off all the hairs off your crab. You can omit the saffron. I just like the color that it gives my curry. Go ahead and mix your milk powder in the 2 cups of water and set it aside. With your curry mixture now, you just want to add about 3 tablespoons of water and mix it into a nice thick paste. Add your oil into the pot. Make sure that the oil is hot before you add your curry mixture into the pot. You want to make sure that the curry is fully cooked, so look for the nice dark brown color in the curry before adding your coconut milk. Add your coconut milk and make sure that you stir out all the lumps from the curry mixture. This Old Bay seasoning is optional, guys. You can add all-purpose seasoning if you like, or just omit it completely. Add your salt to taste. And now it's time for the star of the show, the juicy crab. Make sure you get as much of the crab submerged into the curry mixture. After boiling for about 5 minutes on medium to high heat, this is how it looks. Give it a quick stir. Make sure to get the parts that wasn't covered in the curry before and cover it down when you're finished. My crab has been cooking for about 15 minutes now and it's pretty much done. I'm just going to leave it uncovered to boil for another 2 to 3 minutes just to get that sauce nice and thick. Y'all see that? Do y'all see that? That's perfect consistency to hold on to that dumpling really nicely. See you in my next video. Bye.